street there's a place to see. A perfect home opportunity.